Hello, welcome to How to Smoke Your Camel Cigarette. She's going to teach you, tell me, what are you going to teach us first?
I'm going to teach you how to smoke a cigarette in the rain. You have to listen to Billie Holiday first and foremost. And then you take your cigarette.
Okay. Oh.
And then you take the cigarette and you put it in your mouth and you draw in. And make sure you inhale. That's how it's done.
Tomo, could you show us how to do a French inhale? Here's the ring. Thank you for coming. You can find me at LeoCoyStokes at Facebook or at gmail. Have a good day.